Tired of catching every cold that goes around? Feeling like you're constantly battling sniffles and sneezes? What if I told you that your kitchen holds the secret to a stronger immune system? Forget spending a fortune on supplements. The real power is in the food you eat. Today, we're diving into 7 amazing everyday foods that can supercharge your immunity and help you stop colds for good. Stick around because you won't want to miss these delicious and powerful tips. First up, let's talk about citrus fruits. We all know them. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are packed with vitamin C. But why is that so important? Think of vitamin C as the manager of your immune system. It helps increase the production of white blood cells, which are the key soldiers in fighting off infections. Your body doesn't produce or store it, so you need a daily dose to keep your defenses up. A simple glass of fresh orange juice or a squeeze of lemon in your water is an easy and refreshing way to get your daily intake. Next on our list is a kitchen staple: garlic. For centuries, garlic has been recognized for its infection-fighting properties. It contains a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has potent immune-boosting and antimicrobial effects. It's like having a tiny, powerful bodyguard in every clove. To get the most benefit, let crushed garlic sit for a few minutes before cooking. Add it to your stir-fries, soups, or pasta sauces for a flavor and immunity kick. It's a simple ingredient that makes a huge difference. Let's move on to something creamy and delicious: yogurt. Specifically, yogurt with live and active cultures, also known as probiotics. These are the good bacteria that keep your gut healthy. And a healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system. In fact, a large portion of your immune system is located right in your digestive tract. Probiotics help stimulate your immune response and can even reduce the length and severity of colds. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add your own fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey to avoid added sugars. Now for a vibrant and powerful vegetable: red bell peppers. Surprise! They actually contain almost 3 times as much vitamin C as an orange. They're also a rich source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for healthy skin and mucous membranes, which are your body's first line of defense against germs. So, slice them up for a crunchy snack with hummus or roast them to bring out their sweet flavor. They're as versatile as they are healthy. Number 5 is broccoli. This little green powerhouse is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible. Steaming is one of the best ways to preserve its nutrients. So, next time you're planning your meals, make sure to add a side of lightly steamed broccoli. Your immune system will thank you for it. Let's talk about a soothing and powerful beverage: green tea. Both green and black teas are packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. But green tea really shines with its high levels of EGCG, another powerful antioxidant that has been shown to enhance immune function. It's a wonderful, warming way to support your body's defenses, especially on a chilly day. Swap out one of your daily coffees for a cup of green tea and feel the difference. Finally, our 7th immune-boosting hero is ginger. This zesty root has been used for ages to fight illness. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce sore throats and other inflammatory illnesses. It's also believed to have properties that can help fight nausea. I love adding fresh ginger to my tea, smoothies, or even grated into savory dishes for a little extra spice and a whole lot of health benefits. So there you have it. 7 simple, delicious foods you can easily add to your diet to build a rock-solid immune system. Eating a variety of these foods regularly will give your body the tools it needs to fight off whatever comes its way. What's your favorite immune-boosting food? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our new content. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.